Congratulations on purchasing your new CycleBoard. In this segment, we'll show you how to get started so you can start riding in no time. When you receive your new CycleBoard, your package will include the board, front wheels, wheel bolts, battery charger, finger nuts, tools, and a quick start guide. So the first thing you'll want to do is install your front wheels using the included 8mm Allen wrench and wheel bolts. You'll want to make sure that your valve is facing outward and that the direction arrow in the tire is facing forward. So this is our right wheel. Make sure it's fully tight. Give it a little spin. Make sure it's secure. Next, we'll install the left front wheel. Same way, making sure the valve is pointing out and the drive arrow direction is forward. Next, you'll want to raise your handle by rotating the clamp lever forward to loosen it. Press the release tab while you shimmy the handle with your other hand, raise it in a lock in the upright position, rotate the clamp lever back to tighten it. The handbrake lever and LCD display are rotated downward in the shipping box, so next you'll want to tighten your screws on your handbrake lever with the included 4mm Allen wrench. A good rule of thumb is to have 2 finger distance when you pull the handbrake between your hand grip. Next, take your 2mm Allen wrench, loosen your LCD display so you can rotate it into your desired position. Make sure that you have a nice gap between your hand grip and the thumb throttle so it doesn't catch. And then tighten your display so it doesn't move while you're riding. After your display is adjusted, you can peel off the protective cover. Press and hold the center button to power on. It defaults to speed mode 1. You can toggle up to speed modes 2, 3, 4, and 5, back down to 1. It displays your battery life with 5 bars, speedometer, odometer. Remember, in order to ride, you have to push to start. If you push the throttle without pushing off on the ground first, the board won't move. So step on with one foot, push off the ground with the other foot, press the throttle, and you're ready to ride. Your board comes standard with 4 lock nuts on the left underside of the deck. You can remove these with an 8mm deep socket and replace it with the finger nuts that are included with your package if you plan to swap your battery out frequently. This will allow you to open and close the deck without any tools. If you're not planning on taking your battery out frequently, it's best to just leave the lock nuts that are included with your board. The final step is to fully charge your battery. You'll want to insert the plug into a standard wall outlet. Rotate the charge port cover to the left and down. Lift the waterproof rubber insert and insert the other end of your battery charger. You'll see it turn from green to red, indicating that the battery's charging. Once it turns green, your battery's fully charged and you're ready for your first ride.